guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. This is Sassy Shan. I do lifestyle vlogs and beauty videos. So today, yes, so if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment. So yes, guys, I'm sorry, I don't even know my own intro. But anyways, so it is Tuesday, the 3rd of January 2023. So yes, we're not too happy because the decorations, guys. How do you tear? Oh, is it past spoil? Oh.
Come on, you're making it worse.
Anyways, guys, so as you see from the title, this is gonna be another vlog. Part of it is gonna be us taking down the Christmas decor. It went up late, so it feels like I just like a week it up. But if we don't do it now, then it might be up for a long time. And we don't want them poor. So we're gonna try to take down the tree, these decorations, the ones on the grill, but we can't take down the one with the upper top because we can't reach that. So we'll wait for that. Anyway, so we're gonna take down these. Shanika's already taken off the pillowcases, so
and I'm taking off my what do you call those?
Oh, she had to take up her little something when she up there. So anyways, let's get the tree down. Good morning, guys. So yes, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment. It helps the channel, so it's greatly appreciated when you guys comment, leave a comment. I enjoy them. I always respond Sometimes it takes a bit longer because, especially like on all the videos, if I don't go into the YouTube Studio app, then I won't see it. So it kind of takes some time, but I always try to comment to all my comments. So yeah. All right, so it is, what day is it? Today's Wednesday. I think it's the 4th of January. If I'm wrong, then it will pop up. But yes, it's the 4th of January. So hey guys. So for today, I want to do a lot of work today, like a whole heap of work. Let me sit it down somewhere here. Anyways, so I want to do quite a few stuff today. So this, I want to like prep for work because it's almost work time. Plus I want to get some chores done. I want to do some washing today. I have like some SBS to look at, so I want to do that. What else do I want to do today? I don't know. But yes, I have that on the agenda for today. What else? I'm not sure. But we got that. So yes, that is what's on the agenda. Don't know what else. I'm gonna make my bed. And then we're gonna me have to eat first. But okay. I'm kind of hungry. So I'm not gonna start work before we eat. I'm hungry. Can't matter with that. Anyways, it's like after 8. Probably about 9 o'clock now. I'm not sure. So I read, oh, the eyelashes, guys, they are kind of moving. The lady said it can last up to 8 weeks, but I've been pulling at them because I kind of get tired of things easily. So kind of tired of them now. So I've actually taken out most of the ones that come out are from over here. These two are really bothering me. Hi, mother. These two are bothering me, so I cannot try to take them out, but it not budge. Say hi to the vlog, mom. Hi. What's up? You recording? What's wrong? Alright guys, so as you just saw, I plugged in my Eric, which I mentioned in my what I got for Christmas video, that's about the plugs. And I thank God for its Letty and Candy page. Thank you guys so much, because you guys commented about the plug being able to turn. Guys, the second I saw, I'm trying to remember which one of them commented it first. I think it was Candy. I don't remember. But the minute they said it, I literally say, "You're kidding." I'm gonna put on your phone, and I went for it, and I did it, and it worked. Guys, I learned something that day. The plug for the Airwick thing can actually turn. That's what they said. And I went and I checked, and it turned. Stupid me. I did not know that. And the other one that I had also turns. So I had it for like a year or more, just sitting there and not being used because I didn't know it could turn. So yeah, that's great. So anyways, guys, that's that. We're gonna try and find some breakfast. I'm hungry. Dinner.
I told you.
Thanks, Mom. Good morning, guys. So it is Thursday. So today, Shelly's music and she has sing. listening to music and cooking her breakfast. I'm in cafe for my breakfast, so.
About the shit, like.
Anyways, guys, so after breakfast, kitchen is pretty much clean already because mom cleaned it this morning, so we're just washing as we go, and then I have some washing to do. Shan started, so I'm gonna wash it for me. Get y'all a sister and a best friend and one. Oh, look at that, she started washing. So this morning we're gonna wash, and room already clean, so I just wash. I didn't get to do my lesson plan, so I have that to do. No. So I have that to do. What else am I have to do? I don't know, but we have quite a few stuff to do. I'm gonna try to find the pepper. Yes, so as I was saying, we have those things to do. Where's in there, so season up this fish I need. So we have some salt, we have some black pepper, and we have, we don't even know what kind of seasoning this one seasoning, because I don't use the right seasoning in it. Our cheese, our yeah. Ooh, guys, it smells so good. Oh, we're doing this for daddy because daddy don't necessarily eat those stuff. So. Ooh, yeah. Oh, and then we get toast with it. We just want one because my mommy eats porridge. She don't eat porridge, so.
Okay, but I bring it from.
So it's later on in the afternoon, and I wanted to do popcorn, but the only popcorn that's here are these. So I will just take them off. What I do is put them in the pots with butter and oil and a little salt. Yeah.
phone?
Nope.
Daddy, can I please get a new phone, please?
Well, since you put it like that.
Nope.
No.